What is deal, YouTube, man? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. Today we have a mod for the F90 M5. You guys got so mad at me. Oh, you can almost see it. Oh, you guys got so mad at me for getting rid of the old steering wheel, but today that has been replaced. We picked up, hold on. We picked up a LCI style wheel for the F90. As you guys know, this only comes on the 2024 or 2025 plus cars. I think it's 2025 plus for like the G90, G80, G87, G82, all that. But look at the design. It's different. If you know, you know. And we also got the anniversary airbag cover because guess what? This car is an anniversary. See, now this car, this airbag, I don't know why they didn't do that from factory anniversary badge. Like, look at that. Look at the comparison. This should literally have an anniversary badge. If you guys don't know, this is like the style wheel I have in the M2, except it's full Alcantara, like I kind of want it in the M2. And it also has the M Performance stitching as well, but I did something different. So I got matte carbon fiber, which, if you know, hold on. The interior of the M5 is literally matte carbon, so it matches literally perfect. But I'm gonna show y'all the difference with the M2. The M2 is gloss carbon fiber, which the rest of the interior is gloss, so it does make sense. Gloss carbon fiber backs, like pretty much all gloss. But I had to get matte in the other car. You guys also may notice that we got a blue stripe up top instead of the red like in the M2. But without further ado, man, let's go ahead, let's disconnect this battery, let's get everything done. And we're gonna drop the seats because just in case I do get locked out, don't want to be stuck locked out. Boom, pop that. I got so much junk in my trunk. No weird stuff. There's so much junk in my trunk. And for me, I'm gonna be safe. Tire rack up here. Boing. All right, now we're gonna get something to pop this airbag off. I forgot what I used last time, but I'm sure I'll find something. All right, y'all, having the right tools for the job is very important. Because if I had that, this would have been done. Just like that, airbag out of the car. It's gonna be hell trying to swap this, I already know. I'll hold the steering wheel like this. Oh, crap. Airbag. Now we're all good to go. Yes, sir. All right, y'all, so the wheel is out the car. We're gonna go ahead and swap it in the back. I did get a new wiring harness. I'm gonna show y'all why I got a new wiring harness. That's all of them right there, right? I think that's all of them. There was one down here, but obviously I didn't put that one back in. Yeah. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I did a horrible job. Look at this wiring. Let's go ahead and get this mess unplugged and unhooked. I was just rushing because dog, I had to take it to dog that day. Then with this one, you need a super tiny Torx bit, which if I have it.
That comes off just like that. You want to move these three.
All right, y'all, so we're about to go ahead and get these freaking things installed back on the camera, because low-key, I mean, not on the camera, on this. It'll just be easier to have it all done right now instead of trying to do all of it last minute. Boom. And it's just gonna feed down here and down here. Perfect. Boom. Take one screw. Boom. All right, got that installed. And now we need to get the M1 and M2 buttons off of the other one. Also, look at this paddle shifter. All right, we gotta go ahead and remove the M1 and M2 buttons off of this one. Which is a T15. And I need an extension. Got my M buttons. M1, M2. I wonder if I can disassemble these and change the color. I think that's possible. I want to get this harness out. It's irritating me. Come on, let's get it out real quick, twin. Cool. This is the old harness. Literally boo-boo. I don't think I need it no more. Yeah, need to get these out. What are these? That's not snug though. Another one of the shoes. Let's see. Sheesh. All right, old wheel, don't need it no more. All right, y'all, we putting the M1 and M2 in first. Y'all, it is literally nighttime outside. Anyway, I had to go pick up some screws for the paddle shifters and stuff. I had to get all this stuff together, dog. It just took me. It took me a minute. Listen to those, y'all. Fire! Y'all been wanting them paddle shifters, so of course had to get them for y'all. Well, I didn't get them for y'all. I got them for me, but it sounded cooler when I said I got it for y'all. Video. All right, y'all, pretty much got everything back together. Let's go ahead and put it back in the car. Y'all, I didn't record it, but taking off this airbag is probably one of the hardest things I ever did in my life. No cap. So y'all, really want y'all to pay attention to the detail. Y'all see the blue on the M down there? And then the blue stripe up top? Tell me Tez didn't cook, bro. I literally cooked. All right, y'all. We have finally finished the install. Took forever, but all is well. All right, y'all. It is nighttime. I started this way earlier. I had family come over. I had a lot of stuff going on. This is the new freaking wheel, and oh my goodness, it looks so dang on good. M stitching everywhere. Anniversary badge. Way thicker, feel way better. I love the Alcantara. But it is currently 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm going to bed. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Next one will be a POV. Peace.